beautifully designed upstairs space. You even have these coconut trees that are hanging over right here. If only you could reach a few of these jellies, I could drink one right now. Alright, so welcome to another Real Estate Moments by Boothe video. We're here at King's Chateau and we're looking at the apartments today. Well, I presume you're coming over from part one, which was the townhouses. So this is the outside of the apartment complex and they're really nice. But of course, you know, we have to head on upstairs to check out the beautiful ones at the top. So the ground floor is 41.5 million and all the others up are 42.5. So stepping on the inside, let's just close the door behind us. Turn on my light. Perfect. So we have the secondary bedroom off to our left immediately as we step in. Whew. I need to get my working out back together. So we have the built-in closet area. Again, nice. We have 4 windows inside here to let in a lot of natural lighting. We have the air conditioning unit. And then again, we have the ensuite bath. And these apartments are 2.5 bath apartments, 2 bedrooms. Similar setup like the townhouses in terms of bathroom. They're really nice. I love the tile work, porcelain tiles of course. We have the shower cubby, beautiful glass enclosure, raised edges so water can't run out, and a nice Rona toilet. All right. So this room is kind of like a hexagon in a sense. You have one power outlet there, lighting fixture, another power outlet here, one here, and one here. So this is where your television will be mounted. All right, just give you a final look of what inside of this space looks like fully. That's it. And then we move into the half bath that is right here. As you step in as well, you know, you just put up a mirror right here and some additional storage space like a medicine cabinet or something, and you're good to go with your Rona toilet, and ventilation is up top as well. So before we go into the primary bedroom, we want to step into the open concept living area and dining area, and it's a pretty decent space. We have the tray ceilings. Let's see what's active here. So we have the tray ceilings, we have the cutouts for additional lighting, we have the recessed lighting, we have additional lighting setups right here for your television right here. So this is obviously the living room area, and then up here would be the dining area, and you do have the lip that comes out from the countertop, so that can be a breakfast counter for you and the kids. We have the area here for the air conditioning unit. We have 2 windows on either side and a decent sized glass door and a nice balcony area. You can step out, you know, and you look what's going on. Next door has some really nice plants. This can be a nice peaceful area for you to come out and just relax and unwind. All right. So stepping back inside, we do have the Galaxy White countertops as I was mentioning, and these beautiful looking, I don't even know what color this is. It looks gray, it looks like it has hues of brown mixed in. This is the area for your stove, and your hood would go right there. This is the area for your refrigerator. Nice cabinet space, lots of upper cabinetry. We have a nice large a large glass right here. This is a beautiful touch as well. This sink, double bowl, boom. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Lots of cabinet space inside this kitchen. So you don't have to worry at all, at all, at all, at all. Let me just give you a final look of the kitchen. That's it. And we'll move off into the laundry area right here. Traditional wash tub, facility in place for hot and cold water, high ceilings, ventilation, of course, lighting, customary. So we step on into this bedroom, but to our immediate left we have the walk-in closet, and there is light. So you have a nice walk-in closet, his and hers. Again, as I was saying, you know, if your wife wants to take up all this space, God go with you. But again, happy wife, happy life. So this is the bedroom. It's virtually a rectangle, I would say. You have the power outlets right here. So this is where your television would be, I would presume. You have your air conditioning unit right here. You have two windows to this side, and then you have one more window right here. That's your ensuite bath. So let's check that out first. Beautiful ensuite bath. Looks very crisp, clean. Again, I love these tiles. They're large, they're in charge. They really make this space feel grand. Toilet right there. You have your single vanity. You have lots of lower cabinet space inside your bathroom. You have your window there for ventilation. And it's just all around a beautiful space. Let's head on. Aha, we caught that. On the outside, and you have a nice private balcony space right here for yourself. Beautiful, beautiful. You can come, you can look next door, you can see Aki, you can see breadfruit, Lord jeez. You can see how you're going to be a great neighbor to your neighbor. So you can always reach out and say, hey, beg two Aki now. Beg one breadfruit now. Roast and make some nice Aki and sawfish, yes. So that's it for the inside of this space. Now, based on the fact that you just get the two balcony space, the developer was nice enough to give you guys a rooftop terrace. So we're about to head on over to the rooftop terrace right now. There goes the townhouses over there. But let's head on to the rooftop terrace right now to see what going on up here. So of course, this is a beautiful, absolutely beautiful rooftop terrace. You can see, I guess, barring this area right here, a 360-degree angle of Kingston. Beautiful, beautiful entertainment space for your guests, family, friends. There's an area here you can set up like a bar. You have a nice bathroom right here. All right. There goes a Jamaica themed helicopter flying overhead. Beautifully designed upstairs space. You even have these coconut trees that are hanging over right here. If only you could reach a few of these jellies, I could drink one right now in this blazing sun. Hot. And then of course you have this covered area. You have this nice outside space for when you're ready, when the sun is not so hot, or if sometimes maybe you want to come up and tan, you never know. And there goes the mountains of Kingston over there. So all in all, this is a beautiful space. I really like these apartments and townhouses. Don't forget to call Mr. Paul Morrison. I'll put his Instagram and the contact number right here so you can reach out to him to make your purchase. All right, guys, I want you guys to also leave your comments down below what you think of these apartments. And if you haven't watched the townhouse video, go over and check out the townhouse. They're absolutely beautiful. And don't forget to like this video, to share this video with your friends, to comment, and absolutely do not forget to support my dream, my goal of becoming a full-time YouTuber by the end of 2022. And all you have to do is to hit the subscribe button and to turn on your post notifications. All right, but that has been enough from me. AB, wait a minute. Also, don't forget, I'm going to leave you with my quote. I almost forgot. The goal is to live life on your own terms. I'm trying to live life on my own terms by becoming a full-time YouTuber. So support me in doing that, and I'll keep on putting out these videos for you just as much as you love them. I love to make them for you guys. I get to visit different parts of Jamaica, interact with different people, and that is something that I love to do. I am a people person. I'm very outgoing. I like to encounter different people, different places, get a feel of different things that are happening in and around the island of Jamaica. So going out for you guys, shooting these properties, meeting new people, visiting new locations, learning new parts of Jamaica is something that is absolutely fun for me. All right, so support my goal of becoming a full-time YouTuber by just hitting that subscribe button and turning on your post notifications. Thank you so much again, guys. AB signing out.